Good morning, class. Here I am today to teach you computer. Okay, and today I am going to use this new board, and this is your interactive board. Okay, this board is very helpful and very easy to teach and to learn. Alright, so students, can you see? We have a green board here. So today I am going to teach you now computer, and my topic for today is keyboard. Special keys. Alright, so in this chapter, this is your chapter 4, and in this chapter we are going to learn about the uses of the keyboards. As you all know that computer has 4 main parts. Okay, one is your monitor, one is your keyboard, then you have mouse and the CPU. Alright, so what the monitor do, it displays the work that you do. Alright, so what the keyboard do? Keyboard is also an important part of a computer system. Without keyboard, we cannot write in a monitor. So we need keyboard. Alright, so have you seen keyboard? I believe everyone has seen keyboard. If not, that I am going to show you here. It's a smart board. It will help you to see. Can you see? There are so many pictures of keyboard here. I'll select one. It's so easy now. Alright, now this is your keyboard. Okay, here you have so many small keys. These keys, okay, these are your keys. These are called your keys. And this is called your board. So altogether we call it a keyboard. On the board there are many keys. Okay, there are so many keys. There are 104 keys on a keyboard. If you have computer at home and if you are using this computer set, then you can count on your keyboard. There are how many keys? Okay, there are 104 keys. There are special keys, there are number keys, alphabet keys, okay, and symbol keys. So I am going to teach you about each keys one by one. Okay, so first, in the first line, can you see? You can see number keys. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. We don't have number 10. We have number 0. With these all 10 numbers, we can make many we can make many numbers. Okay. Alright, here it is. Okay, then we have alphabet keys. Can you see here? Alphabet keys: Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, which is not in alphabetical order, but these are your alphabet keys. Okay, these are your alphabet keys, but they are not in the sequence because it helps us to type. When we move our fingers on the keyboard, these alphabets makes words for you and sentences for you. Then we have here also we have number keys. Can you see here? We can see number both. Can see number keys here also. This part also You can see some number keys. Okay. Then you have the longest key here. This is your space bar key. Out of this 104 keys, space bar key is the longest key. Okay. Here you have second set of number keys, and here also you have number keys. This, here you have alphabet keys. This is your number keys. Here also you have number keys. Okay, and can you see there are 4 arrow keys. Okay. Okay, so now children, according to your book, what can we do by using this keyboard? We can type words, enter numbers. We can, okay, I'll write in the points. Number 1, okay, we can typing words. Number 2, entering numbers. Okay, these things that we can do by using a keyboard, that is typing words. We can type words, your name, class, section, roll number, your name. You can type your school name, or you can type any story or whatever you like, you can type by using your keyboard. You can enter numbers also. Suppose if you have to write your roll number, your house number also you can. As I have shown you, there is a number key. There are number keys which can be used to type numbers. You can give space by using the space bar. The longest key, as I have already shown you, the longest key on the keyboard is your space bar key. And while doing your work, if you make any mistake, there is a key which also deletes, which also erases your mistake. Okay, so there are many functions which we are going to learn one after another. Today we are going to do only the introduction part. So I'll only show all this, the functions of the, I'm going to show you the functions of the keyboard. Later on we'll discuss about the keys that we have seen on the keyboard. Okay, so till then, please, if you have computer, you can go through. Okay, you can count, you can do a homework, and you can count how many keys are there, and you can write, you can send me your answer in my personal WhatsApp. Okay, till then, bye.